Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about how you can create logos on different niches and how you can sell this skill on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms, and you can sell this skill on social media pages, give services to them. Everyone needs logo for their brand or for their personal business. So after that, you can go to google.com and search for websites related to your niche and ask them about your services. They will surely hire you. Or lastly, you can target the offline market, or you can make logo for your own business. So it is a very premium skill. People charge a lot of money, but I teach you how you can create logo in 3 to 4 minutes in Canva very easily. So in today's video I will teach you about how you can create a beauty parlor logo in Canva. So our logo, our company name is Hex Parlour, Beauty Hex, Hex. So let's go to Canva. If you don't know about Canva, canva.com is one of the best graphic designing software available online, and it is very easy and handy to use, and you can use it very easily. And you can use it very easily and if you want to know complete about Canva, then go to my channel Iron Tech and go to the playlist section. Here I upload a complete playlist on how you can on Canva designing course, and after watching the playlist I'll surely say that you all know almost everything about Canva. So let's get started. I click on create a design. Here I search for logo. 500 by 500 pixels I choose because it is the most widely used size template. It is loading, wait for some seconds. Yeah, it is loaded. So I click on elements. Here I search beauty. Let's see what we got. Here are very great elements, good elements, attractive elements. We have to choose one. So let's see what we have to choose. I like this logo, so I drag it, I place it in the center, and after that I go to text. Here I search for heading and this is the name. And we have to choose this font. It's look good. After that we select both elements and click on there. So in this way our logo is ready. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.